Hello guys, this is Ayesha Nazir. Today I'm here with another recipe which is my mother's special recipe and it is named bread pillows. So before you jump into the recipe, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any other update. First of all, I have taken breads and cut the edges. Taken boiled eggs and cut them into half. Here I have taken chaat masala and salt to taste, and here adding red chili powder. You can also add white pepper powder into it. Now stirring it well to mix it. Here I have taken all the ingredients and have some normal temperature water in a bowl. Now taking a slice of bread and soaking it into the water. Taking it out and pressing it like this to remove as much as water possible. Then taking half egg, adding the masala I have made earlier on the egg, covering it with the bread as shown and giving it a shape of ball like this. Now taken a bowl and added one raw egg, added 3 or 2 spoons of raw milk into it and mixed it. Adding a pinch of white pepper powder and salt into it and mixing it well. Taking the ball and dipping it into the egg mixture, and then I will coat it with the breadcrumbs. And make sure to check the description box for the ingredients. And just like this, I will coat the other ones as well. And keep it for rest for 30 minutes. Taking a pan and adding enough oil to deep fry. When the oil is heated up, adding the bread balls into it carefully. Once the oil is heated up, make sure to change the flame from high to medium. Flipping the bread balls with the help of a spoon. Now I am taking these bread balls in a kitchen towel. It took 5 minutes for me to fry this. So here is my bread pillows or bread balls. You can have it with any type of sauce. Thanks to my mom for sharing this recipe with me, and thanks to you guys for watching. And hope we will meet again in my next videos.